Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu, wassalamu, rasoolillah. In today's video, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we're going to be continuing our basic series of morphology and nahwu. And we're going to be continuing with sarf, which is what we began with, which is morphology. In our last lesson, we took pronouns with past tense verbs. And bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, today we're going to be taking pronouns with present tense verbs. So the verb we're going to be using today is Yadhhabu. Yadhhabu means he goes or he is going. And bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we're going to be using this verb with all of the pronouns. So to get started, we're going to start with ana plus yadhhabu, meaning I go, it's adhhabu. Nahnu plus yadhhabu is we go, yani nadhhabu. Nadhhabu is we go. Anta plus yadhhabu is tadhhabu. Tadhhabu is you go. Anti plus tadhhabu is tadhhabina, and that's you go for a female. In fact, I'm not going to tell you if it's for one male, one female, because it's the same in all of them. By now, you should know this bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. So I'm just going to give you the dama'ir with the verbs, and you should know is it for one man, one woman. I'm just going to translate them bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. So anti plus tadhhabu plus yadhhabu is tadhhabina. Antuma plus yadhhabu is tadhhabani, and that's for two people, yani tadhhabani. Antum plus yadhhabu is tadhhabuna. Antunna plus yadhhabu is tadhhabna. Huwa plus yadhhabu is yadhhabu. It doesn't change, it's the same. And then huma plus yadhhabu is yadhhabani. Yadhhabani. And then hum plus yadhhabu is yadhhabuna. Hiya plus yadhhabu is tadhhabu. Huma plus yadhhabu is tadhhabani. Tadhhabani. So there's two humas as previously explained. One is for two males, or one male and one female, which is yadhhabani. And as for if it's two females and there's no male, then we would say tadhhabani. And you'll notice that the tadhhabani for huma is the same as the tadhhabani for antuma. So how do you differentiate? It's from the context. If you're talking about two people who have gone or are going, then you'd say tadhhabani, meaning they go or they are going. And if you're talking to somebody who's present, then obviously it is you, yani tadhhabani, to two people. And then hunna is yadhhabna. Hunna is yadhhabna. So let's make it a little bit easier. You'll notice 5 of these verbs, all that changes is the first letter. So ana, it's adhhabu, so you've added a hamza. Nahnu, it's nadhhabu, so you've added a noon. Anta, it's tadhhabu, so you've added a ta. Here is also tadhhabu, so you've added a ta. So yani anta and here is the same. How do you differentiate? You differentiate from the context. It depends on who you're talking to or what you're talking about. So if you're talking to somebody in front of you, it's tadhhabu. And if you're talking about somebody who's present but away, yani tadhhabu, yani it's here. It's just the difference between you and she, the same as English. It's just that the words are the same. So you'd know from the context. And the last one is yadhhabu, yani huwa. Huwa is yadhhabu, so you add a ya. As always, please memorize this verb, yani adhhabu, nadhhabu, tadhhabu, till the end of it. And bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, practice it with other verbs and it will become easy. When you fill out the link in the description, I will send you a document that has 2 verbs in the present tense with all the pronouns, which will be yadhhabu and also yajlisu. Yadhhabu, and he goes, and yajlisu, he sits. And bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, I will see you in the next video. But before I go, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will try my best to answer them for you as soon as possible. And bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, also do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.